just popping on right now, welcome to Hanging with Mrs. Hayward. This portion of the show is our math lesson, and today we are doing a super fun lesson. And there's so many curriculum connections that we're going to do. So we can do number recognition, we can do counting, and we can do addition. So making math fun is what this lesson today is all about. So here is a super cute fishing rod. And again, I did pick this up from Scholar's Choice. Oh, actually, no, you know what? I think I got this one from Mastermind. So it's a super cute fishing rod, like that. And on the bottom, it has a magnet. So what you do is it has all these little fish. And if you can see, the little fish have numbers on them. They're wood fish too, so they're really actually good quality fish. There you go. And just to reiterate, I'm not making any money off this. I'm just telling parents where I got the resource from. So in case you do want to pick it up, you can pick it up. So they all have numbers on them. All the little fish have numbers on them. So that is 4 on that fish. Okay, so, and it comes with a super cute little blue net too. So I like to make the net like a fishing pond. So I put that down on the table like it's my fishing pond. And then I put all the cute little numbers down, all the fish in the pond. And I'll show you what it looks like. Hold on. I'll show you. Okay, hold the phone. Can you see my pond there? Can you see it? Comment yes if you can see it. Or send me some likes if you can see it. At least a bit of the pond. Okay, so there is, can you see my pond? Okay, so there's my pond, and there's my fish swimming around in the pond. Yep, a little, okay. Because if I do it too much, you might, is that a bit better? There. Okay, so there's my pond right there. And so all the fish are in the pond. So you take your fishing rod and you go like this. Swipe the comments away. If the comments are in your way, you might not be seeing it. So you take your fishing rod like this and you catch a fish. Like, how cool is that? So then we take the fish off. And the first stage in this activity is just a number recognition activity. So tell me, boys and girls, pop your answer down below and tell me what number that is. What number is that? Ooh, what number is that? And then, so here's another activity. So with your littles, like pre-Ks, you can just do the number recognition. So, because that's an expectation in kindergarten is number recognition. So recognizing those numbers. So yes, it's a 2 if you said that. So if you have this game, I know it's so fun. So if you have, so for your littles, you can just do number recognition. If you have an older child, they can do, so what they would do is they would draw the 2 and then you would ask them to write the number 2. And what you can have is have a list of the words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on cards, mix them up and have them pick. So when they fish and they find the 2 with the number, they have to find the matching card. So a little card that says the word 2 on it, and they have to find the matching card with the word. So there's the number, and they're connecting it to the word, which is something that we do work on in grade 1. So the number and then the word 2. So connecting those 2. So then I would have them write it down like that. 2 and 2. Right? Okay, so next step. And we can do this too if we are ready. If we're in kindergarten and we're ready for that writing, we can totally do that. Okay, so I'm gonna fish again. I've gone fishing. What do you think my number is? What do you think my number is? What did I catch? What did I catch? Yes, Jasmine, you're right. You're right, Chelsea. I caught a 5. So what I would do is they would have to find the card that has the word 5 on it. And they can do that by using their sounding out skills. So 5. It sounds like, what does 5 start with? What letter does 5 start with, boys and girls? Pop it down below if you know what letter 5 starts with. So this is how you can show, we can do this, the same activity that looks like, oh, we used this when we were 2 or 3, and you go, oh, no, you know what, I can't use this anymore? Absolutely, you can use this. I use this in my grade 1 class. So there's lots of fun things that we can still do with this activity. So tell me what 5 starts with. Yes, Chelsea, you got it. Jasmine got it. So now this is where we're using our letter sounds. Remember those letter sounds that we've been working on? This is where we're using it. You got it, Ella. 5 starts with an F. So that helps them to find the card. That will help them to find the number card. And this one is only the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they're only looking for 5 number cards. So that's not very hard. That's pretty easy, and you can review those number cards before you even start the game, before they even start the game. So that helps to set them up for success. Remember, we want to set them up for success. The more fun and easy it is. Good job, Clara. Good job, Zia. Good job, Sunny. Excellent. Okay, so we're going to do one more just like this, and then Mrs. Hayward is going to kick it up a notch. Okay, one more fishing expedition. We like to fish in this house because Mr. Hayward is a Newfoundlander, and Newfoundlanders love to fish, and Chelsea is a half Newfoundlander and a half Ontarian, and so we love fishing. So this is part of Chelsea's roots to be a fisher. Okay, a fisherwoman. What number did I catch? What did I catch? What did I catch? Pop your number down, pop your answer down below. And what letter does that start with? What letter does 4 start with? Good job, Chelsea. You were fast. What letter does it start with? Good job. So this is the number, and this is the word. So that's a super fun activity that you can do. And you would be finding this on a card. So that would be a card, and you'd be matching the fish with the number card. So super fun. Such an easy, fun game. And the way we make this a game in our house is we take turns. So Chelsea would have a turn, then Mummy would have a turn. Then Chelsea would have a turn, then Mummy would have a turn until it's over. And it's so fun that Chelsea's always like, let's do it again. Let's play again. Riley says 4. Excellent. And Tyden says it starts with an F. And so does Ella. And so does Sunny. And so does Ziad. Great job. Okay, let's kick this up a notch. So we have a few more minutes. So I'm going to quickly show you how we can kick this up a notch. Okay, so with this same activity that can be used from way back when we were in pre-K, good job, Evelyn, we can do fishing. So I'm fishing right now, and I've got pop your answer down below if you know what number I've got. I'm going to write it on my board. But now I'm going to add 2 fish together. So I'm going to shop for one more fish. So I'm fishing I'm fishing for another fish, and I got that fish. So I got these two fish when I was fishing. So now I'm going to make a math question out of this. So I'm going to add my two fish together and find out the total of my two fish, or the sum of my two fish. So I'm going to write that down. So that was 2 plus 3 on my two fish. So I'm going to add my two fish together. Right there. So 2 plus 3, and what is my total? So this is called adding fish. See how super easy it is to make, to change an activity and make it adapt to a range of levels, to meet your child where your child is. Exactly. So excellent. Hayden's got it. Evelyn's got it. Chelsea got it. Ella's got it. Jasmine's got it. Excellent. So it is 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay, we'll do one more fishing. I know, we could do this fishing forever. Maybe we did too much get up and move. Maybe we went too long. Okay, I could fish for a long time. All right, I'm fishing. I've got a what? What number is that? Pop it down. I'm going to fish again. Oh, and I've got that. Okay, what is that? What did I get on my fishing expedition? Good job, Clara. Okay, I'm going to write those down on my board. You tell me what the math question should be. You tell me. You pop it down below. If you said 5 plus 1, you are correct, because I fished for the 5 and the 1. And what is my answer? 5 plus 1? What is my answer? Excellent. Good job. Great job, Jasmine, Chelsea, Evelyn. Good job. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, let me give you one more. I'm going to make it hard. This is a hard one, okay? Are you ready for a challenge? Clara says 1 plus 5 equals 6. Perfect, Clara. Ella says 5 plus 1 equals 6. Ziad said 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Love it. You guys are so great. Okay, I'm going to fish, and I'm going to make it a little challenging. So the great thing about fishing is you can make it as challenging or as easy as you want. If you're starting with easier questions, I fished and I got a 5. And now I'm going to fish and I am going to get a 4. What's my math question going to be? 5 and the 4. What's my math question going to be? Tell me. What question is it going to be on my board? We're moving fast here now. We're moving and grooving, boys and girls. And you're staying with me. I love it. What is the answer? Yes. Good job. Good job, Evelyn. Good job, Chelsea. Good job, Jasmine. Good job. You got it, Titan. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, so we don't have time to do the next activity that I was going to do with this, but there's an even harder activity that we can do with this. So you know what? I think that we're going to have to come back to these fishing rods again in the future, and we will kick it up a notch next time. Okay, so boys and girls, thank you so much for all your hard work, and I would love it again if you can send me a pic of any of your work. Send it to me, and I will put it up on the board on Hanging with Mrs. Hayward. And if I haven't put your pics up yet, hold on. So Mrs. Hayward has just been busy working on a couple of other side projects that I'm working on. And so I might not have gotten all your wonderful pictures up, but they will get there. Okay, and if you think I might have forgotten to, feel free to send me a message. Also, parents, if you can do me a huge favor and you can share this on your page, I would really appreciate it. It helps to get the word out. Also, parents, if you are not on the sister page, Hanging with Heather Hayward, that's the adult page. So you might want to go over there and check that out because there was something fun that went up there yesterday. I did a live with an amazing woman. So you might want to check that out. And I just want to say, great work, boys and girls. I am so super proud of you. Also, you can go to Hanging with Mrs. Hayward on YouTube and click and join our YouTube channel. That is really important too because we are going to be doing some super cool stuff over there as well. All right. Thank you so much. Mrs. Hayward is going to finish her coffee now. So thanks for tuning in, boys and girls. Goodbye.